Hey guys, Briarslide Girl here, and I am going to audition for Unforgettable Sins by Zipspire, and used to be by Briar Girl. So subscribe to her and subscribe to my great friend Zipspire, and please audition for her. She needs auditions. She only has like 2 auditions, so please subscribe to her, and let's get this started. Okay, so I'm going to be auditioning for Haddix. How stupid do you think I am? How stupid do you think I am? Haddix, please don't! Haddix, please don't! Before I do the slide, I'm sorry if you can't see the slide. I know it's so tiny. But, yeah. If Mom was here, this wouldn't have happened. If Mom was here, this would have happened. I really suck at Demeter. Okay, now line 3. Haddix, what are you doing here? Haddix, what are you doing here? Now we're doing Poseidon. Okay, that was so weird. Mom, Dad, this is Demeter. Princess Demeter. Mom, Dad, this is Demeter. Princess Demeter. I'm Poseidon. I'm Poseidon. I'm getting a sense you were with another mayor. And that was it. Hope you like it. Okay. Make sure. Got it. Make sure to audition for her, because I think, personally, this is going to be a good series. So, subscribe to Briar Girl, because she was the first one who invented Unforgettable Sins. And subscribe to Zipspire, because she is bringing it back still on. So, hope you like it. That's it. Bye, guys.